Just hey guys, just gonna go over Bellwork week 13, day 3 with you guys real quick. So as you see, we're still talking about mass, weight, distance, how all those have an effect on gravitational force. Um, so this one kind of talks about mass and weight being different and what makes them different. Now, the best thing that I can clue you in as to how to differentiate between the two is that weight can change upon location, mass stays the same. Remember, mass is the amount of matter in an object, while weight is the measurement of the effect of gravity on that given mass. Okay, so and when I say changes dependent upon location, I'm not talking like from Yorktown to Indianapolis. I'm saying that if one of us went to another planet, it's not like we would shrink or get smaller, but we would weigh less. Okay, so part A wants us to use the chart to answer the questions. Number 1, how many fewer pounds does the child weigh on the moon than on Earth? So if we're comparing 65 pounds on Earth to 10.8 pounds on the moon, you would just subtract, find the difference between those two numbers, and you would see that the response should be 54.2 pounds. Number 2, which is greater, the adult's weight on the moon or the child's weight on Earth? What is the difference between them in pounds? So adult's weight on the moon is 25 pounds, while the child's weight on Earth is 65 pounds. So obviously the difference between the two, we know that 65 is greater than 25, so it would be the child, and the difference between those two would be 40 pounds. So you should have a child and then 40 pounds. Okay. Number 3, who has more mass on the moon, the child or the adult? Explain. Well, if we're comparing weight, which is different than mass, we know the adult weighs more, okay, whether it's on Earth or on the moon. The more mass, obviously the adult, because they would have more mass in general. Hopefully we could expect, let's say a 30-year-old adult to be more massive than an 8-year-old child on average or on the regular, so you should have the adult because they have more mass in general. Excuse me. And now for last one, part B, if you go on a diet, do you change your weight or your mass? Explain. Well, you change both, because when you change the size of your body, you are losing mass. And with less mass, the pull of gravity is less, and therefore you're going to weigh less as well. Okay? So again, you would change both, because when you change the size of your body, you're losing mass. And when you lose mass, the pull of gravity would be less, which meaning you would also weigh less as well. Okay. Again, if you guys have any questions working throughout the day, make sure you reach out to me, and I'll get back with you as quick as I can. Hope this helped as far as Bellwork goes. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Take care. Bye.